Welcome to VettyDrive OS. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to use the fleet calendar to avoid double booking and keep each vehicle's status easy to understand. Think of the calendar in 4 moves. First, look at the summary cards. Second, choose the vehicle and calendar view. Third, read the color labels. Fourth, add a hold when a car is not rentable. Start at the top. These summary cards tell you what is available today, what is busy in the current view, what is on hold, and whether anything is overdue. Before you scroll, this gives you the quick health of the fleet. Next, use the controls to choose the vehicle and the calendar view. If the operator manages many vehicles, the cleanest habit is to pick one vehicle first, then choose month or week. That keeps the screen simple instead of trying to read every car at once. Now read the calendar like a traffic signal. Green means the vehicle is available. Amber means it is booked or reserved. Gray means staff placed a hold for maintenance, prep, damage review, or owner use. Red means something needs attention before that vehicle should be treated as rentable. When a vehicle needs time blocked, use the Add Vehicle Hold form. Choose the vehicle, choose the reason, set the start and end time, and give the hold a plain title like oil change, cleaning, tire repair, or owner use. The label panel is here so staff do not have to guess. Available means clear. Busy means a rental already uses that vehicle. Hold means the team blocked the car intentionally. Overdue means the return time has passed or the vehicle should not be released without review. So the calendar workflow is simple. Check the summary, choose one vehicle, read the colors, and add a hold when needed. That is how VettyDrive keeps availability clear without making the dashboard feel crowded.